Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best oil filter. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, installation quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter. Ever struggled with messy, hard-to-change oil filters? Yeah, I've been there. Oil everywhere, hands slipping. But then I found the Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter XG607. This filter is designed for all oil types and any car. It protects your engine for up to 20,000 miles. Seriously! The dual-layer synthetic media traps over 9% of dirt. That means a cleaner engine and better performance. Worried about installation? Fram Sure Grip makes it easy. Just screw it on. No slipping, no mess, no stress. The silicone anti-drain back valve protects your engine at every start. It even resists high heat and pressure for long-lasting durability. Perfect for DIYers or anyone who racks up the miles. I swapped mine in minutes. No leaks, no hassle. My engine runs smoother and I feel confident on the road. Want reliable, mess-free protection? Try Fram Ultra Synthetic. Trust me, your engine and your hands will thank you. Number 4, Bosch 3300 Premium Oil Filter. Tired of worrying about engine wear and dirty oil? Imagine starting your car, confident your engine's protected. Meet the Bosch 3300 Premium Oil Filter, engineered for reliability. Bosch's exclusive FilTech technology captures up to 14 grams of dirt. That means fewer contaminants circulating, more engine life. OE fit is guaranteed with strong steel base plates and housings. No leaks, no warping, just a perfect professional-grade fit. The silicone anti-drain back valve delivers clean oil at every start. No more dry starts, your engine gets instant protection. High lubricity gasket ensures a tight, leak-proof seal, easy to remove when it's time for your next oil change. Rugged metal spiral wound center tube boosts filter durability. Compatible with popular Chevrolet, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, and more. Upgrade your maintenance. Choose Bosch for peace of mind. Protect your engine. Experience the Bosch difference today. Number 3, K&N Premium Oil Filter. Think all oil filters are basically the same? Think again. I'm an automotive technician with over a decade of experience. Many car owners overlook the importance of quality oil filtration. Standard filters often miss contaminants or struggle with synthetic oil. This can lead to premature engine wear and costly repair. That's why I recommend the K&N Premium Oil Filter HP1000. It's laboratory tested to trap up to 98% of contaminants. The pleated synthetic blend media ensures high flow rates for your engine. Compatible with all oil types, synthetic, conventional, or blended. Heavy-duty construction withstands extreme conditions and long service intervals. The built-in 1-inch wrench-off nut makes removal fast and hassle-free. I've used this filter on high-performance vehicles for 20,000 miles, no issues. Customers report smoother engine performance and easier maintenance. Protect your engine and extend its life with K&N HP1001. Upgrade your oil filter today. Your engine deserves the best. Check compatibility and order now for worry-free driving. Number 2, IFJF FL2016 Oil Filter. Tired of cracked plastic oil filter caps ruining your maintenance? Meet the iFJF FL2016 Oil Filter and EC781 cap replacement. Perfect for Ford Super Duty owners and power stroke enthusiasts. Designed for F250, F350, F450, F550, 6.0L and 6.0L models. Also fits 2003 to 2005 Excursion 6.0L total compatibility. Picture this. You're under the hood, ready for an oil change. No more worrying about cracking that factory plastic cap. This cap is precision machined from 6061 T6 billet aluminum. Anodized finish means superior durability and corrosion resistance. Forget cheap plastic. This cap is built to last. Easy to install, even for DIY mechanics at home. The oil filter delivers high-efficiency filtration every time. Pleated paper element captures contaminants for cleaner oil. Protects your engine, extends its life, boosts reliability. Every kit includes one oil filter cap and one filter. Plus, you get 2 O-ring seals for a leak-free fit. Directly replaces EC781, 1940754C91, 3C3Z, 6766CA, and more. Compatible with multiple Ford and international part numbers. Professional mechanics trust this kit for every service. Upgrade your maintenance routine, no more frustration or mess. Periodic oil changes are essential every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This kit makes those changes faster and more reliable. Billet aluminum cap means no more stuck or broken caps. Superior filtration means better engine performance and longevity. Whether you're a truck owner or auto enthusiast, it's a must. DIYers love the straightforward installation and premium feel. Upgrade your oil filter system, protect your investment. Ready for the next level of engine care? Choose IFJF FL2016 Oil Filter and EC781 cap replacement today. Click now to upgrade your maintenance experience. Number 1, Beck 0418707 Oil Filter. Tired of engine problems after every oil change? Cheap filters often cause leaks and poor performance. Unreliable filtration means dirty oil and engine wear. Stop risking your car's health with subpar filters. Introducing the Beck Arnley 0418707 Oil Filter. Engineered to match OE form, fit, and function. Works perfectly with both synthetic and conventional oils. High-quality filter materials keep oil clean and flowing. Includes drain-back valve where your vehicle needs it. Application-specific design, no more guessing or hassle. Before, frequent clogs, messy installations, engine noise. After, smooth performance, e-fit, reliable protection. Perfect for car owners, DIYers, and pro mechanics. Install with confidence. Protect your engine the right way. Choose Beck/Arnley 0418707. Make every oil change count. Order now and experience worry-free driving.